This is Eyewitness News with live breaking news.
Breaking news in the Sean Diddy Combs criminal trial. The jury has reached a partial verdict, but the judge has told them to keep deliberating. The details just coming in. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm Colleen Sullivan.
And I'm Mark Robles. You're watching Eyewitness News at 3, live here on ABC 7, Hulu, and wherever you stream. We do begin here with that breaking news. The jury in the Sean Diddy Combs sex trafficking trial says it has reached a verdict on 4 of the 5 counts.
Eyewitness News reporter Sophie Flay is live in the newsroom with the very latest. Sophie?
Colleen, Mark, this trial has been going on for more than a month, and this is only the first full day of jury deliberations, but we've learned there is a partial verdict. But the judge has told jurors he will not accept a partial verdict. They will return tomorrow to continue deliberating until they've reached a decision on that final count. But let's take a look at what we know so far. The jury is still deliberating on racketeering, but they have made a decision on both counts of sex trafficking by force, fraud, or coercion. This is in relation to his ex-girlfriend, Cassie Ventura, and a witness who testified under the pseudonym Jane. If convicted, Diddy faces a maximum sentence of life in prison for each count. The jury also made a decision on both counts of transportation to engage in prostitution, also relating to these past relationships. If he's found guilty, he would face a maximum sentence of 10 years in prison for each. Now, Diddy has pleaded not guilty to these charges, but an attorney we spoke to, Tre Lovell, says the speed at which these decisions have come in really makes a statement. He says the case the prosecution made was either a slam dunk or so bad that they didn't need much time to think it over. In these 2 days, we know the jury has sent multiple notes to the judge while deliberating, but now we wait for them to make a decision on racketeering. Lovell says it's the most complicated charge to prove.
That requires at least 2 predicate crimes. That requires a criminal enterprise. And remember, this is all emanating from things that happen, within Diddy's private life, within his relations with his girlfriends. And when you're trying to make a racketeering case against somebody for acting within, the confines of their own bedroom, their relationships, it's tough.
If Diddy is found guilty on that racketeering charge, he faces a maximum sentence of life in prison. Again, the jury will return for deliberations tomorrow. That will start at 6 a.m. our time. Live in the newsroom, Sophie Flay, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
Sophie, thank you.